Hello everyone, today I want to show you a simple bass note trick that makes every slow song move. Sometimes when we have a slow song and there's not much going on and the playing, your playing is a little static, and we can change that adding the bass note on the offbeat, and that's the idea, okay? And we can apply this idea to rhythm guitar and also to solo flat picking guitar. I mean, when we play a solo flat picking arrangement. So let me explain what I mean by playing the bass note on the offbeat. Here I am in drop D tuning, and we just play three simple chords: D, A, and G. Okay. Rhythm guitar like this: 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, now if I count the beats, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I can decide to play the bass instead of playing the bass on the one, like 1, 2, 3, 1. Like this, 1, 2. You see, and that's very normal, I would say. Okay, now we can decide to play, to anticipate that bass on the offbeat. So that means on the end, 1 and 2 and 3 and on the end, like 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1. Counting, and actually I can play that bass on the offbeat for all three chords, like and it sounds, I think it sounds really cool. It's not really difficult, right? This is not an advanced technique, but it's something to keep in mind, and you can apply this to any slow song, and you can also apply this to again, a solo flat picking arrangement. I'm drop D today. I would like to play Amazing Grace, and you know, Amazing Grace in the key of D major, we have A, then D7, F sharp, G. Yeah, those are the chords, right? A, D, D7, F sharp, G. Now without me singing. And now I can embellish that playing the bass on the offbeat. Maybe I can play something like this. Listen. You see what I'm doing here? I'm playing here. Over the A. So I'm just playing that bass on the offbeat for the A chord and the F sharp, and that's enough. I mean, that's enough to create some extra movement in the arrangement. So now, yeah, let me play Amazing Grace once, and it goes like this. Let's see, I have a little intro using those A and G chord. It goes like this. So if you feel like learning the full arrangement and the tab, you can find the whole lesson in my Shopify store, a link below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao ciao!